Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our course. Today, we are focusing on how to effectively export your videos in InVideo AI, as well as we will look over how iStock media is counted in your videos as well as in your account. Click on Export, and then you will be able to export your videos. First, you will need to choose whether to include watermarks or not. The No Watermarks option is currently selected because I have InVideo AI Max subscription, which allows me to export a clean video without any watermarks. Next, you can select the level of InVideo AI brandings or visuals to be included in your exported video. The None option is highlighted, meaning no additional AI branding elements will be added in my video. For export resolution, you have option ranging from 480p up to 4K. The 1080p Full HD setting is pre-selected, which is optimized from most online video platforms and should provide a nice balance of quality and file size for smooth uploading and viewing. Then we have our status of our iStock license so far. As you can see, I have used 32 out of 320 iStocks, and for this new video, it will consume 12 more from my quota. One thing to keep in mind is this 320 iStock license is reset in 30 days. But before we export our video, let us look how this 12 iStock license are being counted in our video. So this is the first iStock media, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, then eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and then 12th. And that's how your iStock media is being counted. So if we click on export again, you will be able to see this video would use 12 out of your quota, which is iStock licenses. After optimizing our video export settings, let us click on continue. And once the rendering is completed, it will be automatically downloaded in your laptop or your PC. Or you can simply click on this download button and your video will be downloaded.